Our rainbow unicorn cupcake is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, magic. Hello kiddos. Today we are going to draw a cute rainbow unicorn cupcake.
Wow!
So let's get started. Very soon we are going to see a magic. So just wait for it. Do you like cupcakes? I like them the most. Now let's color it. I am putting the pink color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou.
I am putting the dark yellow color. Now I am putting the purple color.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my Lou, my
Again I am putting the pink color.
skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my
Putting the orange color.
Lou, my darling.
Now I am putting the rainbow colors. Violet, blue, light green, light yellow, orange and red.
Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou. Skip to my Lou, skip to my Lou, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my Lou, my darling. Lou, Lou, skip to my Lou, Lou, Lou.
Our rainbow unicorn cupcake is ready to shine. Now it's time for some magic. Abracadabra, magic.